And so you're gonna tell me right now, is this shit true?
Listen, I can explain everything.
I don't need an explanation. I want an answer to the goddamn question.
Lawyers don't ask that question.
I'm not asking you as your lawyer. I'm asking you as a man.
You know what the answer is.
God damn it.
You wanted the truth and now you got it, but you gotta tell me, what are you doing here, Robert?
I told you I'm here because Rachel begged me to help you. Not because I give a shit about what happens to you. So you're gonna do exactly what I say, and I'm gonna help you get out of this thing.
No, there's no getting out of this thing.
Oh, yes, there is, and you damn well know it. That woman doesn't get anything by prosecuting a fraud like you, but she would love to get Harvey Specter.
I'm not turning on Harvey.
Oh, he would do the same goddamn thing to you in a heartbeat.
If you think that, then you don't know Harvey.
You better listen to me. You better get your head out of your ass. Because I'm throwing you a goddamn lifeline. It's the only chance you're gonna get to save what's left of your miserable life.
I won't do it.
Then you are on your own.